So let's take a look at the crap that BETAFPV actually are shipping. So this is the BT 3.0 charger for the Aquila 20. And it's supposed to show the voltage of your cells and charge it accordingly. So when we connect it and turn it on, it should show you the voltage of the full cell and the cell 1, cell 2. And you can see here it's actually showing a very bad value. One is 4.9. Oh, the full voltage is 4.9 and one is 4.12 and the other is 0.8, which is a very bad battery. It might make you think it is a very bad battery, but in fact, let's check it using our multimeter here. So here it has 3 pins. So this is a series of 2 batteries, so we can measure the voltage from these pins. So first, let me power on, and yeah, let's try it. So the full battery is actually 8.2 volts. It's a good battery. The voltage in series is one is 4.1 and the other is again 4.1. Oh, so it will turn off itself after some inactivity, so I have to turn it on again. So you see 4.1, 4.1, and the full charge 8.2. So you can see, obviously, the logic inside this charger is completely crap. What the fuck? So I hacked open the shell and let's see what we got. Here. Power it on. So, sorry. Let's do it again. So the first cell. .8, 7.7, 3.8. Okay. So now I have a battery that needs some charging. Let's see. Sorry. So this battery is 7.7 volts. Needs some charging. And let's see how is the charger working. Yeah. Let me power it on again. So yeah, it's showing a bad voltage, which is completely wrong. And let's see what the charger is doing when we actually charge it. Is it charging? Oh, okay, it's charging now. Let's see. So for the full, sorry, I'll try to not block the view to the multimeter. Let's see. 7.8, 3.9. So I'm not really sure what's the charging voltage here. What is it charging right now? $3.9. 3.9. Okay, so it seems it is charging quite well. It is putting in 3.9 volts on each cell. 3.927. 3.927. So yeah, it is applying equal voltage to the cells. Let's let it charge for a while now. It's been a few minutes out, so let's check again the voltage. Let's see. So now we got to 8.2, 4.0 on one, 4.0 on the other. So now let's disconnect the charger and see the voltage. Let's see. Oh, turn off. Turn on. So 8.05, 4.0, 4.0. So it seems the good news is the charger is actually doing its job to charge the battery. It's just the display that is bad. But, well, still kind of crappy. Let's try again. Yeah, the voltage display is bad. But the charging logic is actually fine. So, well, I guess it can go by, but BETAFPV better fix this issue soon.